In this video, we learn about gray code, or you may say reflected code, how to convert binary to reflected code, how to convert reflected code back to binary code, and we will also design circuit to convert binary code to gray code. So to generate binary code, to generate reflected code of 0 is 0, reflected code of 1 is 1. Now to construct more reflected code, we have to take reflection of these two codes. So we have to write these two numbers same as downward side. So here reflection of this 1 0 1 is 1 0. We have written same as it is. Now for 2-bit we will have total 4 combinations. So for half of number we have to add 0, and for rest of number add 1s. Now if you want to convert reflected code for more numbers, then again we have to take reflection from here. So again write this number in reverse side. So 0 1 1 0. We are writing reflection of first column. Again reflect the second column 1 1 0 0. As for 3 bits number, we have total 8 combination. So for first 4 number add 0, and for rest of 4 numbers add 1. So this is reflected code of 3 bits numbers. This is reflected code of 0, reflected code of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So this is how we can construct reflected code. Again, if you want to construct reflected code for 4 bit, so we have to make reflection from here, and we have to, for half of number we have to add 0, and for rest of numbers we have to add 1s. So here reflected codes for 4 bits are written on right hand side. So for half of number we have added 8 zeros and 8 ones are there. So this is how reflected codes are constructed. So that's why they are called as a reflected code. We may also call it as a gray code. Now let's have a look at how to convert binary to gray code. Let's say we have been given binary 5. So 0 1 0 1. This is 5 in binary given. Now we have to convert this binary to gray code. So to convert it to gray code, what we have to do? We have to write most significant bit as it is, and then take a exclusive OR of most significant bit and the bit next to it. So the exclusive OR of 0 1 is 1. See, let me to write the truth table of exclusive OR. In exclusive OR, if two input A and B are there, then exclusive OR of 0 0 is 0, exclusive OR of 0 1 is 1, exclusive OR of 1 0 is 1, and exclusive OR of 1 1 is 0. This is truth table of exclusive OR. So in exclusive OR, if 2 bits are different, then we will have a 1 in output. It's very easy to remember. Now take a exclusive OR of most significant bit and the bit next to it, that will give you 1. Again repeat same thing for rest of number. Exclusive OR of 1 0 is again 1, and exclusive OR of 0 1 is 1. This is how we can convert binary to gray code. So this is gray code of binary 5 that we can verify here. This 5 gray code is here. Let's take another example. Let's say we want to convert 11 to gray code. So write 11 in binary 1 0 1 1. This is binary of 11. Now to convert this to gray code, write most significant bit as it is. Take exclusive OR of most significant bit and the bit next to it. So exclusive OR of 10 is 1. Exclusive OR of, then repeat same thing for rest of bits. So exclusive OR of 01 is 1. Exclusive OR of 11 is 0. So this is reflected code of 11. And we can verify this. 1110. Right? Now let's have a look at how to convert gray code back to binary. So here, if you want to convert this 11 to binary, then write most significant bit as it is. Then take a exclusive OR of this binary 1 bit and second bit of gray code. We have to take exclusive OR of this 1 1. So exclusive OR of 1 1 is 0. Again take exclusive OR of this binary 0 and gray code of 1. So exclusive OR of 0 1 is 1. Again take exclusive OR of 1 and the least significant bit of gray code 0, that is 1. So this is binary code of 11. So we have converted gray code back to binary. That we can verify here. Now let's have a look at circuit. How to design circuit that convert binary to gray code. So let's say we have a 4-bit number A, B, C and D. We write most significant bit as it is, and for most significant and the bit next to it, take exclusive OR of that. This is second bit. Take exclusive OR of this. This will give us reflected code X, Y, W and Z. So let's have a look at example. Let's say here we have a 7 in binary. So that is 0, 1, 1, 1. So 0 will come here as it is. Exclusive OR of 0 1, it is 1. Exclusive OR of 1 1, it is 0. Exclusive OR of 1 1, it is 0. So the reflected code of 0 1 1 1, that is 7, is 0 1 0 0. That we can verify here. 0 1 0 0 is there. If we look at the property of reflected code or gray code, it is they just differ in 1 bit. Two consecutive numbers differ in only 1 bit. See, there is a change of 1 bit here. This, if you take these two consecutive bits, there is a change of 1 bit here. If we take any consecutive two numbers, there will be a change in 1 bit only. If we take these two numbers, there is a change of 1 bit here. If we take last two numbers, in that there is a change of 1 bit here. So that is the important property of reflected code.